Here we come to the service elevator at the Health Science Center, which is the School of Public Health here at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. This is a ThyssenKrupp Aurora as well. Installed in 2005. So this elevator, both these elevators are officially 20 years old now. It's got a fan in here. Oh, 4 floors. Like an attic. Lights burned out. What floor would you like, sir?
3.
I might go for one more ride. You enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Look at the COP. It is loose. But anyways, well, this is bigger. It's obviously similar to the passenger elevator. I don't ever see a ThyssenKrupp Aurora in College Station. I'm gonna open the rear door in just a little bit. Here's the rear door. See, that opens out into the stockroom areas you see right there. But anyways, that was the service elevator. There goes the back door, and there goes the front door. There it goes, and that's it.